Déjà, le passage à la CO 3D, c'est un choix groupe, c'est-à-dire qu'au niveau du groupe VAI,
The decision to migrate to 3D CAD was the choice of the entire company. All the various locations, Austria, France, and the UK, and the VAI group agreed unanimously to move to 3D CAD software. In the end, Solid Edge was chosen. VAI is a supplier of machinery for the metallurgy industry. We supply rolling mill machinery for steel and aluminum plants, process lines, and also the automation controls that are part of these large mechanical assemblies. Our expertise is our proficiency at designing all these machines, especially the general concept.
Si on regarde par exemple au niveau de...
We are also experts at subcontracting the manufacturing and the on-site assembly of this equipment. These machines represent an impressive volume of parts. If we look for an example, in a complete process line, we could easily have between 700,000 and 1 million parts.
Faire 7 000, 8 000 pièces.
If we look at a specific sub-assembly, a machine that is included in a typical line, it can certainly have 7,000 to 8,000 parts. A process line can be 400 to 500 yards long and in places 30 to 40 feet high. The decision to migrate to 3D CAD was the choice of the entire company. Our objective was to design our machinery in the most efficient way. In other words, right the first time, and also in a way that allows it to evolve and be reusable afterward. Training is something that we take very seriously because it allows designers to be more productive. It is also now clear that the draftsmen spend more time designing the mechanical assemblies, which is the most vital part of their profession. For most of the users, it is out of the question that they would return to using 2D. In the design department, Solid Edge 3D CAD has changed the design process. With Solid Edge, we really have the ability to create real parametric models, which allows us to easily design several versions of the same machinery design. The purpose of our files is the delivery of drawings to our customers. Solid Edge is very helpful because we can easily update our 2D drawings from a modified 3D model. The number of drawings per project varies, but there can easily be 600 to 1,000 drawings for one sub-assembly. For a complete line, it can represent many more, sometimes 3,000 to 4,000 drawings. In summary, we design large assemblies consisting of many thousands of simple parts. Being able to manage these large assemblies is essentially the real value of Solid Edge. And the second thing, naturally, is the capability to produce drawings, because in the end, that is what we sell to our customers, 2D drawings which we can duplicate afterwards.
Dans le genre d'équipement qu'on conçoit, on pourrait dire...
The project teams also benefit from 3D CAD because it allows them to show the customer 3D mock-ups of future machinery designs. This makes a significant impact on the customer's purchasing decisions.
Et la deuxième chose, bien entendu, ça va être...
Another advantage of 3D models is the way they benefit the scientific office that makes FEM simulations of parts.
Les équipes d'avant-projet bénéficient également de la CO.
With Solid Edge, there is a 20% time savings for machinery design on the assemblies we decide to standardize.
Par conséquent, ça a un impact assez important sur les clients. 20%, c'est le temps...
This is really the impact that Solid Edge has in our way of working.
...que nous avons décidé de standardiser avec Solid Edge. Et c'est vraiment l'impact...
It is really what we looked for in a 3D CAD system.
Vraiment ce qu'on recherchait dans un logiciel de CAO 3D.